Hello.
Got it. You gotta hit the fucking, do a fucking Fortnite dance. Yeah, that's what I want to see. The big part. The big crime.
Best part about having a bike right here, bro. Hey, little bro. Hey, little bro. Hey, little bro. Alright, real question is there a cop over this bridge?
I like Joe Biden. He really represents America.
I should take a picture of that.
Do it.
I got my gloves on.
Oh.
Take a mental fucking picture.
Alright. Got my tires.
Mental image.
Got my hair out of my face. I'm
Got
that.
my chopping ass cam.
My cock in my pants.
Justin, go first, you fucking beluga.
Beluga whale looking ass motherfucker.
Do a burnout. Do a wheelie with the tires.
I will. Trust.
Damn.
Trust. I will.
Will the tire survive?
Oh my god. Huh?
Let's hope the tires survive, brother, and you.
Yeah. I'll be alright. Send it, bro. Send it. Send it. Send it. Ah, bitch. Watch out for this oil.
Sorry. I'm scared.
It's like you're fucking new to the bike life or something, bro. Oh, it's gonna blow up.
You're gonna blow up that gasket.
I should have went, bro.
Yeah, you fucked it.
Oh, we had the green
Freeway, 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 go, freeway.
Freeway.
Oh my god. Fucking throwing rocks at me.
Rocky, bro.
Alright.
Oh, no. Where's Justin?
He's back there. I see him. Well, how do you feel, Justin? You got the Cardo.
Pretty good, besides this loud ass music.
Alright, Justin, you see this turn coming up? All you do is no handlebars, all body.
Yeah, you got it. Like the bike you live.
Yeah. It's okay, Justin. You just gotta outrun me, buddy. Come on. Oh. Bye.
Bye.
It's a downshift. But first, stay in second. Green with a fucking lead.
Josh, I think your car... I think your Cardo's fucked up.
No, no, Justin. It's because I'm far away. That's why. You're
Green light. The big flipper.
Gotta get away from that light, bro. All those people. Hey, it's another bike.
That's
Where?
Daniel.
I'm him.
That's you?
Yeah.
Here, respawn.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, we should pull up to Anthony's house.
Hey, we should.
Hey, you want to?
Yeah, and rev the bikes and leave.
Oh yeah.
Scary.
I thought he was gay for a second.
I thought he was scary.
Oh yeah. Well,
I thought I
my
wanted to suck him
PP
off.
is very small.
It's like the dragon. Fucking red light sucks. That was loud. You're gonna scare the tweaker.
He's looking for gold.
Yeah, he is.
Let me see it, bro. Oh. Oh. I couldn't see shit, but the visor was open.
Hey, we're going left, Danny. We're going left.
Dude, that was sick.
What?
That race was a nice race.
Yeah? I'll do it again. But this time I'll be able to see. I couldn't see shit, dude.
Yo, he was on you for a second.
I let him have it.
Hey, I don't care. I got that little 650.
Hey, that thing's a beast. Oh, the dirt bike. Look. Yeah. Dirt bike brother.
Come on, come on. He said no. Whoa. Josh, you saw me coming out, bro. God damn.
I got the DUI.
Yeah. Josh, are we...
Is the answer?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, for the video, so I can get gap.
Alright, go. I'll give you the jump.
No, from going slow.
After you, sir.
Alright, let me go a little bit and then we'll go.
Go.
That was fun though.
I almost got by that van, bro.
I seen, bro.
Good race.
Very nice.
Good race. I think I have like over 100 more horsepower than you though. Was not a fair race.
Look at the skeleton.
That was me when I got hit by a van.
You remember that Pro Charge C6?
Yeah.
Did you gap him or was it a tie?
I was pulling on him, but not very much. I was pulling on him, but he let off.
Dude, that thing made a good 600 easy.
I know.
That was a honker, bro.
Wait, hold on. I don't even have you, man. Fuck you, nigga. At the light or what? Or are you gonna run him?
Josh ain't about it. It's all good.
The rocks are not nice. You know what I'm trying to race?
What?
Our feet.
Hey, Danny, you wanna race on our feet?
Our fucking feet. All three of us.
No.
Let's try a race.
No.
Goodbye.